Good morning, student. Look at today we are going to start our online education. Nowadays, there is a main problem of corona, and due to the dangerous virus of corona, we are going to start our online education because nowadays the schools are closed. So here the textbook of 9th class, and on the page of on the page number 1 there is an activity. Let's begin. Means from this page we are going to begin our syllabus. So let's begin. Here on this page there is an activity which name is acrostic. Let's begin. And according to the activity, there is an activity here, acrostic. Acrostics. Acrostics means first you choose any subject. First you choose any subject. For example, here English. Subject means not the name of the subject, but any words you choose first, and then one below one you write down each and every letters. For example, here E, N, G, L, I, S and H means how many letters into the word which you have selected. Then from that word you take the alphabets, and in capital letters you write down the alphabets one below one in a straight line. And then next step is you start the line of that you start the line from that letter related to the given word, related to the selected word. For example, here English is a subject, and related to the subject you write down from E first line, from N second line, from third related to English from beginning with G. So each and every letter beginning of the line. For example, here English, every, each and every, For example, starting with E, then each and every. So you think and write down another line. Think and write down. So after completing each and every line, then it will be made the acrostic. Means it is a short poem. It is a short poem. So that is called acrostic. So make your acrostic on the first page of your notebook. It is your first activity. It will be your first homework, and then you start your. For example, take your name, and on your name you make the acrostic. For example, suppose your name is Om. For example, then your Om, O and M. Those only 2 lines of your acrostic. So each and every line begins with the given letters, and after completing the acrostic, then you show me which acrostic you have made on your notebook. So it is your beginning. It is your beginning. So means simply you take 5 words per related to 5 fields. 5 fields. For example, one school related word, then family related word, then agriculture, culture word, then any, for example, film, and for example, medical related. So 5 fields, 5 words. Take 5 words and then you put this top is here, and then each and every letters you put one below one. It is the first step, and then start your lines from each and every letters. That is called acrostic. Acrostic makes you a poet. So practice makes you immediately a good poet. So acrostic, make your acrostic and then show me on the group. It is your first activity. Next, after completing this activity, then go on the next page, page number 2. Look at page number 2, 1.1. Before reading the poem, walk a little slower. Before starting the poem, there are 2 activities: warming up activity and my thoughts. Warming up activity. Here, walk a little slower. What is meant by little slower? Here, little slower means a small boy, and who is telling here walk a little slower? His father. So in this poem there are 2 persons. How many persons? 2 persons. One person is father and another person is a small boy. And the father is giving advice to his son, walk a little slower. Means by picking the finger, by catching the finger, picking the finger, then immediately that little slower is walking slowly, and the parent, means the father, is telling to him, walk a little slower. It is the introduction of this poem, but before starting the poem, there are some activities. Chit chat activity, warming up activity, and now you take the textbook on your hand and then take the pencil and then write down yes or no, and another response. So here in chit chat activity there are some questions. Use these questions to start a conversation with your friends. Means here, no friends, no your teacher, no your colleagues, only you are there. And while learning, while reading the question, then immediately you give the answer yourself and write down only here yes or no. First question is, are you a talkative person? Yes or no, because it is a verbal question. What type question? Verbal question. Say only yes or no. After saying in your mind, then you write down yes or no yourself. Then second question is, do you like to share your thoughts? Yes or no. Again, it is which question? Which question? What type question? Verbal question. Again. So say only yes or no and write down. Yes or no. Means do you like to share your problems? Share your thoughts? Yes or no. What would you like to do after 10th year? Means after reading the third question, then you write down the answer in a full sentence. What would you like to do after 10? काय करणार? 10वी नंतर. So I would like to. What would you like to do? So here write down. What would you like to? I would like to. I would like to take the any means which would you like to? So write down your opinion here. Your opinion here. So like this you complete this activity and show me two activities. How many activities? Two. Acrostic and chit chat activity. Complete and then you share and show me on the group. Thank you.